Hey gang, Space-Time Badass here. So we made it. Today is our day. Today is Lucid Dreaming Day, so happy Lucid Dreaming Day 2018. So in order to celebrate Lucid Dreaming Day this year, a few of us lucid dreaming YouTubers thought it would be a good idea to put out lists of some of our favorite sources of lucid dreaming information. So here I am with my list of some of my favorite lucid dreaming YouTubers. Now, as you guys know, with my first selection, I'm going to be a little bit biased because I'm in Team Lucid Dream, so that's actually my first one that I want to promote, Team Lucid Dream, and all these links are going to be in the description box down below, and you guys don't even have to leave the site to check these people out. But regardless, I'm a little bit biased because of Team Lucid Dream. As you guys might know, I've been working on Team Lucid Dream with some great lucid dreaming YouTubers like Giz and Max and Geo. So if you want to check all of them out, I'm lumping them together in Team Lucid Dream, and check them out by going to the page. You can find out more there. As well, you guys may have expected my second selection, which is Daniel Love, aka The Lucid Guide. I've been on his live stream a couple of times. He's a lucid dreaming author who wrote Are You Dreaming? And just released his second book, Lucid, The Tao of Dreaming, so do check him out in the link below. He is a phenomenal dreamer, a really good person, and a great writer. Next up, we have the Lucid Sage, who hosts the Lucid Dreaming podcast. Jay, I believe his name is. He runs the podcast, and it is a phenomenal podcast. It's very interesting. He has a lot of really good guests, really good talks on lucid dreaming. He seems to be more scientifically minded, and that's kind of hard to come by in the lucid dreaming community, let alone having someone talk about it, bringing people in to talk about it in this very high-quality podcast with like a quality that you would expect from something like The Very Bad Wizards, if you've ever heard that podcast. It's a really high-quality, really good podcast with some good philosophical and scientific exploration, and I think that the Lucid Dreaming podcast is really on par with that quality, and I really would like to see more from him in the future, and I think you should definitely check it out. It's just a really good podcast. And next up, we have TIFF Row. Now, if you guys watch me, you probably already know about TIFF Row, but he is another lucid dreaming YouTuber, and he's doing a great job. I haven't talked to him personally, but he seems like a really nice guy. He's putting out consistent content on the topic, and he always gives really balanced advice, and seems to really like to help people in general. I know he talks about some motivational stuff too. He had another channel. I don't know if he's still using that, but he's generally a motivational, seems like a really good dude, and puts out information on lucid dreaming that I don't find any qualms with. At least if I did, I think the ones that I watch I would comment on. I think I've actually commented on a few of his, though nothing critical, so I think that speaks to the information he's putting out on lucid dreaming. So definitely check out Matt at TIFF Row, and link is down below. As well, I want to point you guys in the direction of Tim Post. Tim has the YouTube channel linked down below, which is SnoozOn. He has snoozon.com, which is his website, but I believe that's under construction. And he has a Facebook page where for about 3 or 4 months solid last year, he streamed every single day about lucid dreaming. So he's got a lot of content about lucid dreaming built up, which you can view on his YouTube channel. Tim Post also has a TED Talk if you want to check that out. So he's a pretty notable lucid dreamer. He also appeared in the Lucid Dreaming Day live stream last year with everyone, and he seems like a really cool guy, really interesting guy, does a lot for lucid dreaming, and definitely check him out. Pretty good source of information. And yeah, there's that. I think I got through my list, so woo me. But I think that does it for me for today, guys. Happy Lucid Dreaming Day. If you want to check me out on any other social medias or platforms, it's Space-Time Badass, pretty much straight through. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take it easy, and have a wonderful Lucid Dreaming Day. Today is our day. Today is better than any other day. Today is Lucid Dreaming Day. Today, proclaiming from the mountaintops, yea, 'tis Lucid Dreaming Day all. Good morrow. Today. That's it for me for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support the channel in any way, you can check out the description box down below. Check out the description. You can check me out on Twitter and on Facebook and on fucking Instagram and all the shit that you got. Your boy's there. What's he as? Space-Time Badass, dude.